Hello, moneymakers. Last Sunday, I had a rare moment of free time. A Sunday where there were no deadlines, no emails, no calls, just pure relaxation. I decided to scroll through YouTube, not for any particular reason, just to see what people are creating nowadays. As I was browsing, something unusual caught my attention. A niche that I'd never paid much attention to before, but it turned out to be extremely lucrative, fascinating, and full of potential. The channel I stumbled upon had over 148,000 subscribers. That alone is impressive, but the real jaw-dropper was the views on their videos. Several long-form videos had crossed 1 million views each. That's when it clicked. This niche wasn't just interesting, it was profitable. I knew immediately that I had to share this discovery with you, my loyal audience. That's what I do. I find niches, analyze them, and show you exactly how to get started without wasting time and with no hidden secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the space news and space mystery niche, a world where content is engaging, the audience is growing every day, and the earning potential is huge. I like to call this niche the space news or space mystery niche. Imagine combining the thrill of cosmic discovery, the curiosity about the unknown, and the latest scientific findings, all rolled into videos that people cannot stop watching. What makes this niche so unique is its blend of real science, space exploration updates, and mysterious phenomena. You have UFO sightings, alien signals, unexplained cosmic events, and even theories about the universe that people are endlessly curious about. The combination of mystery and science keeps viewers hooked. The first channel I mentioned is Elite Vehicle, a pioneer in this niche. But it's not alone. There's another rising star called Phenomena, which gained 50,000 subscribers in just 9 months. And here's the exciting part. The niche isn't oversaturated yet. With consistent effort, research, and creativity, you can carve out your own audience and steadily grow. Now let's talk numbers. Most viewers are from Western countries, which is important because it affects RPM, revenue per thousand views. According to Social Blade, Uncharted Mysteries is making around $10,000 per month, while another similar channel is earning about $6,000 monthly. And remember, these channels are still growing. This shows the enormous potential this niche has for anyone willing to put in the work. Creating content for this niche manually can be time-consuming. Researching, scripting, recording, and editing can take hours or even days. That's where CoolLive comes in. This AI tool is an all-in-one platform for creating images, videos, voiceovers, and avatars. Here's the real game changer. You can clone yourself. Imagine recording your script once, and your AI avatar delivers it in real time. It can even go live, speak multiple languages, express emotions, and interact with viewers as if it were a real person. No need to appear on camera, no need to spend hours editing. Your avatar handles everything. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or educator, this tool is a total game changer. Later in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a fully automated space news video using CoolLive, from script to finished product. Success in this niche depends on one thing above all: staying updated. You need to know the latest happenings in space, trending discoveries, and the stories people are searching for online. Now, I understand not everyone is free all the time. That's okay. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Start by monitoring top-performing channels, noting what topics they cover, and creating videos on similar subjects. Trending content drives views, and views drive revenue. For efficiency, you can also use ChatGPT. Ask it to analyze top channels over the last month, and in seconds, you'll get a complete overview of which topics are trending, how many views each video is getting, upload frequency and strategy formats that perform best engagement metrics like comments, likes, and shares. This kind of research saves hours of manual work and allows you to focus purely on creating content instead of guessing what people want to watch. Once you know what's trending, the next step is generating video ideas. I've created a ready-made ChatGPT prompt, which you can access in my Google Doc linked in the description. For example, one trending topic could be, Elon Musk says first alien signal recorded. Just imagine the curiosity this sparks. Once you have the topic, the next step is to craft the script. Writing a script can feel intimidating if you're not a natural writer, but don't worry. AI is here to help. Collect a few articles, news pieces, and YouTube transcripts related to your topic. Then use ChatGPT to generate a full, cohesive script. Here's the step-by-step process. Paste all your research sources into ChatGPT. Ask it to summarize the information and create a professional, structured script. Review the script and tweak it to add personality, suspense, and storytelling elements. Ask ChatGPT for avatar placement suggestions, so your video is visually engaging. Following this system makes scripting fast, efficient, and easy, even if you've never written a single script before. Now comes the exciting part, bringing your script to life using CoolLive. You have two options. Create a full-length avatar video. Add avatars and key parts for emphasis. Upload your script, select a voice, either your own, cloned, or pre-made, and let the AI generate the video. Your avatar can smile, gesture, or even point at visuals on screen. The result is a professional-looking, engaging video that feels human, without you having to spend hours on camera. This is the magic of using AI to create content. Visuals are absolutely essential in the space niche. In a topic like space news or cosmic mysteries, your viewers rely on what they see as much as what they hear. A compelling video needs both strong storytelling and visually striking images or clips that complement the narrative. Without engaging visuals, even the most interesting story can feel flat and fail to capture attention. You essentially have two main options for sourcing visuals: AI-generated images and real footage. For AI-generated visuals, you can use ChatGPT to create detailed prompts. For example, you could generate images of distant planets, swirling galaxies, UFO sightings, alien landscapes, or even abstract cosmic phenomena. The advantage here is creativity. You can create exactly what you imagine, visualize scenarios that might not exist in real life, and make your video truly unique. AI images allow for flexibility in style, color schemes, and composition, which can add an otherworldly cinematic quality to your content. On the other hand, real footage adds authenticity and credibility to your videos. Free-to-use space images and videos are available from reputable sources like NASA, ESA, and other space organizations. Using real footage helps your audience trust the information, especially when covering scientific discoveries or real-world events. Combining real footage with AI-generated visuals gives you the best of both worlds, creativity and credibility. Once you have your visuals, you can also turn images into short video clips, adding motion and transitions to make your content dynamic. This approach keeps viewers engaged, creating a sense of flow and narrative continuity. For instance, you can animate planets rotating, stars twinkling, or UFOs moving across the sky. Adding effects like zoom-ins, parallax backgrounds, or subtle motion graphics enhances the immersive experience. Remember, the goal is to make your videos visually appealing, professional-looking, and engaging from start to finish. Mixing AI creativity with real-world footage, adding subtle animations, and timing visuals to match the narration ensures your content stands out, keeping viewers glued to the screen and increasing watch time, an essential factor for YouTube growth and monetization. If you're using avatars, the voice is already built into the system, making the process incredibly simple and seamless. The avatar speaks naturally, conveying emotion and emphasis exactly where it's needed. But if you're creating videos without avatars, you can still generate high-quality voiceovers directly in CoolLive. This tool gives you multiple options to create a voice that fits your style and your audience. You can clone your own voice, giving your videos a personal touch that feels authentic. Alternatively, you can use professional AI voices, ranging from authoritative narrators to engaging conversational tones. These voices are highly customizable, allowing you to adjust speed, pitch, and intonation to match the mood of your video. CoolLive also supports multiple languages, making it easy to reach a global audience. You can create the same video in English, Spanish, French, or even less common languages, expanding your reach and potential revenue. To make your video even more engaging, pair the narration with background music from YouTube's free audio library. Choose tracks that match the theme and tone of your video. Ambient space music works great for mysterious or cosmic topics, while news-style tracks fit updates and factual reporting. Always adjust the volume so that the music enhances the video without overpowering the main narration, creating a professional, polished, and immersive experience. With the right combination of voiceover and audio, your videos will feel dynamic, captivating, and ready to attract a loyal audience. Editing is where all the pieces come together. I personally use CapCut, but any video editor works. Here's a workflow. Upload all clips, images, and avatar videos. Place the avatar video on the main timeline. Overlay images and AI-generated clips in between. Add text overlays for emphasis. Include transitions and effects like slow zooms, TV static, or fade-ins. Add background music and balance the volume. Creativity is key. Switch between avatars, images, and videos to maintain viewer engagement throughout the video. Here are a few tips to boost your channel growth in this niche. Use click-worthy titles without being misleading. Include thumbnails with bold, intriguing visuals. Keep videos informative but concise. Ideally, 8 to 15 minutes. Post consistently. Space news trends move fast. Engage with comments to build a loyal, returning audience. Following these tips can significantly increase your growth and revenue potential. Here's what a viewer experiences when they watch a completed video in this niche. Imagine sitting in front of your screen, eyes glued, as the story unfolds. In the stillness of space, sound is impossible. But sometimes, even silent screams echo through the void. Last month, Elon Musk sent a ripple through the scientific world with a single statement: "We've picked up something that might not be from Earth." From that moment, curiosity grabs the viewer. Every element, the avatar, the visuals, the voice, and the pacing, works together to create a captivating narrative. The avatar speaks naturally, gesturing at images of distant galaxies, alien signals, and mysterious cosmic phenomena. Each image, whether AI-generated or sourced from real footage, adds depth and authenticity, making the story feel real and immediate. The script is carefully crafted to balance facts, suspense, and intrigue, while the visuals and audio guide the viewer seamlessly from one revelation to the next. The AI-generated voice, combined with subtle background music, keeps the audience immersed, building tension as the story unfolds. Even if you're just starting out, using this system allows you to produce professional, high-quality videos that look like they came from top-tier creators. By the end, the viewer feels informed, thrilled, and eager to click on your next video. This is the power of combining avatars, visuals, scripts, and AI-generated elements. A truly engaging, polished, and captivating video experience that can draw in thousands of views and build a loyal audience. And there you have it. You now know the niche and why it's profitable. How to research trends using ChatGPT. How to write scripts with AI assistance. How to generate avatars and visuals using CoolLive. How to edit and finalize your videos. Consistency, creativity, and the right tools are all you need. If you follow this system, you can build a successful space news channel and start earning real money. So grab a notebook, a cup of coffee, and start creating. The universe of opportunity is waiting. And now, so are you. The key is action. Start today, experiment, and watch your channel grow. Who knows, you could be the next big creator in this exciting niche. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this story as fascinating as I did. If you learned something new, or if this video gave you a fresh perspective, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I post videos like this every single week, packed with insights, stories, and ideas that make you think deeper. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What part surprised you the most, or what topic should we explore next? You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter for behind-the-scenes updates and sneak peeks of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching till the end. Your support means everything. Until next time, Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.